1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Okay.
Hey, Jay.
Hey, Dre. Alright, we got Taemin VOMV. It came out like 5 days ago, if I'm not mistaken. September 19th. I think that's 5 days. I don't know. I could be wrong. Congratulations, Taemin. You're gonna be performing at Coachella. I'm gonna try to go to Coachella. No, I didn't get tickets, but you know, I'm gonna try my best to get there. Yeah, I need a group to go with. If you want to go Coachella with me, please let me know. Anyways, Taemin VOMV. I'm pretty sure he's gonna be performing this at Coachella on stage. He better perform Move as well. You know, that'd be kind of crazy. But Taemin, VOMV, let's get it, let's go, let's begin. The hell? Of course. Bitch, I'm not ready. Bitch, I'm not ready. What the fuck? What the fuck? Holy shit. Don't be playing with me. Taemin, don't be playing with me. What the hello?
Can you feel the
heresy? Oh, another close up. What? Hold me for good. Swallow me whole. Oh my god, he put on a suit. She got the love deep space fandom acting up, I bet. This part's kind of interesting. I love his hair. What the he looks so good. Yeah, he wet as hell. Don't say the next part. Boy! That's how you end this shit! Oh my god. Swallow me whole? Stop it. Don't be playing these games. I swear to god, you play too much. Look, swallow me. Swallow me, gobble me. You know, shit. I don't know how to act. Sorry. I like the beginning. The beginning just fuck it. I mean, I like the whole thing in general, but the beginning just like took me. I love the beginning. This the production right here too. Him diving in. I like the speakers here. Oh my god, the production's nice here. This shit will go hard in the car too. With the bass boosted. Oh my goodness. I need to tap out. All right, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to leave in the comments down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the Patreon. Be posting stuff for free over there, so you can follow there for free. Follow for free, or you can subscribe for $1 and support your boy. Yeah. Live on Twitch. Came back to Twitch finally. If you're watching this video, I recorded this on Twitch, so thank you guys for to those who watched it on Twitch. Thank you. And yeah. I'll see you guys till next time. I'm probably gonna watch this more and more and more and more and after and a replay.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.